This is the LCRC cutter. We're going to cut this 6-inch cast iron pipe. I am wrapping it around and make sure the pins locks in. Make sure that everything is even on both sides. Right here, these are centering. You just kind of, as long as everything's touching, you're going to be flat on the pipe and you get a good straight cut. Yes, I'm tightening both sides so they're the same. And I don't have it, I'm getting pretty close, but I don't have it tight enough yet. You can feel it wiggling. You attach the bar and you just turn it. Yeah, I'm using the handle to tighten up the tool as we go by. I mean, these tools work really good. If you have the room, it's really nice. Even in tight spots, you see I had a pretty tight spot. We made it work. I'm very impressed with it. The inner pins, there's 4 of them, 3 bolts and a pin. The inner ones are 6-inch, the outer ones are 8-inch. We're setting up now to do 8-inch pipe, and you got to make sure that this turnbuckle here is out and pretty even. Slide it out to the outer pins, and just gives you more reach for the bigger pipe.
That's for sure.
And you just unscrew the turnbuckles like I did the other one.